What's going on, you beautiful people? It is Power Hour. We're back. We're doing it. It's live. We're on the YouTube. Right now, holding up there at the 21 EMA, getting stuck there at the 240 area. We got that resistance up here at that 260, 250 area right now. NASDAQ just having some trouble here. Pulling back, end of day. Will we get this move up? Will we get a breakout to the upside here? Right now, it's time to find out right now, right here, right now. Getting very tight at that 21 EMA. If we can get some momentum to the upside, I think there's a good bull case for a move up through this level. But as of right now, just kind of trouble at that trend line. So pulling back here, we'll see what happens. It's Power Hour, 2:30 in the afternoon here. We still got an hour and a half of market. Market's been going sideways since I pretty much went to sleep earlier. So looks like I went to sleep at the right time. I went to sleep at the right time. Sometimes you gotta know when to hold them, and sometimes you gotta know when to go to sleep. You can see here on the 15-minute chart, kind of the idea, maybe pulling back a little bit more. Just being patient, end of day. Let's see if we get some action here. Kind of holding up there, 21 EMA area for now on the 5-minute chart, 2-minute chart. Patience, patience, patience. It's lighting here. I don't know why his lighting's always so bad. So blue. It's so blue. My light's so blue. Looking like a rips over here, all blue. All right, so just kind of watching NASDAQ here up at this 30 area, 40 right now, holding on here. Seeing what we get end of day here. If we get a breakout, little push up. The ES is very tight right now. ES is very tight. Nvidia's, everything's pretty much like bullish, just kind of grinding higher on the day right now. Nothing really like standing out in terms of like, oh my God, it's crazy, but we are kind of just pushing up into this resistance up here. So we're going to find out what happens. Trying to push up here again through that 40 area. Could we get this run? We keep holding up there. 21 EMA looking nice. Just need more momentum to get through that 40 area and then kind of retest those highs up there one more time, possibly here end of day for the Power Hour, baby. Let's see. We got to break 240s. Just holding like right there at that 21 EMA. This would be the perfect time to break out, you know? Perfect setup for a breakout here. Very tight price action. Both the ES and the NASDAQ very tight here. The ES is actually breaking up through a pivot point there at the 790s. That 790 area we talked about earlier this morning, actually, which is funny because here we are now pushing up. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. Right there at the 40s, man. Just can it go? Woo. NASDAQ pushing here through this 40 area now. Like I said, that target would be up there 260s or so. If we can just keep this momentum up. We are holding right there at that 21 EMA, baby. 21 EMA, paying the bills. I'm telling you. Don't go sleeping on the 21 EMA. Don't do it. Don't do it. Still pushing. All right, all right, all right. Look at this thing. God, I am on fire today, boys. We are up massively. We're up $25,000 in just one account right now. Absolutely insane. Look at this thing. Ripping, boys. Ripping. Oh, my Lord. Are you guys seeing this? Who's seeing this right now? Oh, my Lord. Baby Jesus. What a fucking move. Through the 40s now, right up there. Through the 60s, right where we were targeting at. Oh, might as well just give up. Might as well just go back to sleep. Might as well just go back to sleep after that one. Let's go. Congratulations if you just now tuned in. We are absolutely crushing it. Got long down there at the 240s for that push through there. She's still going. Gotta love it. All the way up there to the highs now. Will the bulls continue? If we look at the bigger picture here, end of day, where we could possibly be going. Kind of like 20,300 up there next. So overall, this high up there, a lot of resistance here at the 60, 70 area. If we can get this momentum through here, that hourly chart looking pretty bullish for a push. Just got to get through this 70 area or so. But for now, a little quick pop up there. End of day, baby. It's power hour. Not even yet. It's not even power hour yet. Power hour is still coming up. Let's see what happens. Another push up. Momentum. 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 Nvidia trying to make new highs. The whole market just kind of grinding higher here. End of day, baby. The high from earlier on the NASDAQ, 73 area. So we've not taken out the high yet. Still got some room to go. $15-minute chart, nice little pullback. We pulled back into that pivot point now, trying to push up here through the high, the breakout there on the 15-minute chart. We had it on the 2-minute chart before it happened as well. We're live here on YouTube. The market is going up, 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 up for power hour. Now we just got to wonder how high can we go? Obviously, the high from earlier being a good target to get through. It's just a question of how stubborn are the shorts going to be. Are there a lot of shorts sitting here, still shorting, getting squeezed? More shorts, more squeeze. Got that 21 EMA down there at the 238s. 238.75 sitting down there. Little pullback here, 5-minute chart, that big pop up. Need to kind of pull back here a little bit. Market has just been very kind of like little pops, then like the consolidation, just kind of like pops and then consolidates. Today we had a nice little move at open, but in general, I feel like we've just been kind of popping and then kind of consolidating some and then popping some more, consolidating some. So we're just going to have to wait for this to make the move. We got to get above that 60 area again for the bulls. Right now, just kind of consolidating here on this pullback here. And then we still got the high from earlier up there at the 275 area. See if we make a new high of day here for power hour. Waiting, watching. More momentum to come in here again. If we start to see buyers aggressively, stepping up, then it's like, okay, let's get some action going here. Needs to like rip up right here. If it's gonna do it, it's gotta like kind of do it right here, or we're gonna pull back here again, possibly. Try to go right through that 60 area there. Need some water. Start to push up through here. Got that 70 area up there to get to. ES and NASDAQ both trying to push up here. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Bulls gotta go. This is that breakout spot. We gotta get pushing through here. Straight up to the 60s next, and then the high of that candle, 68.70 area, be where we go. Almost power hour. Still got about 10 minutes until 3 o'clock officially. See maybe at the end of the hour if we get that move for that hourly candle setup. Seller is kind of just sitting right there, holding it down for now. Once they're getting taken out, they're in trouble. Kind of holding on here. Is he gonna boner candle straight up here? Oof. Tight. Very tight. Get through that 60s. Not enough juice. Just the water. Come on. Let's go, Billy. Let's go, Billy. I'm on power hour. I'm on power hour. I want to see that move up through the highs here. NASDAQ still pushing. Let's get this push through the high of day. It's power hour, baby. What else are we gonna do? What else are we gonna do? Dung do. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Looks good, looks good. Victoria's long, I'm long, we're all long around here. Get this push through the high of day. Put some orders out here to get filled. 72, 75, possibly. Easy money, baby. Easy money. Hey Pat, have you been denied? I've never been denied a payout at Apex. But you know, obviously I'm a celebrity, so moving my stop up here to the 60s. Worst come to worst, if this thing does pull back, I wouldn't be, you know, if it does pull back kind of into that 21 EMA, I'd be happy to kind of re-enter this trade. I just don't want to, like, I don't want to get stopped out right here at like break even, or like I don't want to move my stop to here just to like wait for it to pull back anyways. So I think that's the better play. It's like if we get stopped out here at the 60s, that's fine. We'll just re-enter if we pull back into this level, instead of like moving my stop all the way down here and basically waiting for the market to come down here, stop me out, and then go up. So like I'd rather kind of move my stop into the money here. At least we're in the money on this trade, so no point in giving back profit. Not, at least not letting it turn red, you know. Have I ever been denied a payout at any other firm? I have not, actually, but like I said, it's, you know, I am a celebrity, so it would probably not be it wouldn't be very good for business to deny my payout, you know. Not that I would, like, you know, blackmail or use that, but you know. I am a celebrity. Take my you know, my experience with that. I mean, I do think most of the time, you know, if you follow the rules, you do everything you're supposed to do and all that, I don't think you're going to get denied a payout. All right, looking for the 70 break. I'm going to take a little bit off right there at 70. Come on, give it to me. Oh, I hate when this happens. One contract there at the 70. All right, now we're done. All right. Got another contract there at 75. Robert Anderson, you are quite famous here in the UK. Oh, buddy. I'm famous, baby. Victoria is still long? You got out? Why'd you get out for? I told you it was only going to go up. Fucking Victoria got out early. God damn it. Victoria. Take a little bit more off right here. This is playing out absolutely beautiful right now. We had this all laid out before. I'm going to move this stop up. Look at this. I'm moving this stop up in the money to the 75s now. Keep one more stop right here. Let's move it up again. We're locking all this profit in. Make a new high of day. Up there to the 80s now. Getting filled. Boom, baby. Boom. Boom. Well, don't re-enter anymore. The trade's over. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Oh, man. I like making money. You guys like making money? Isn't making money fun? It's so much fun to make money. What about you guys? You like making money? I love making money. It's a lot of fun. Check this out. This is one account today. One account here. We got $27,470 profit. Gross P&L. Total profit, $30,000. I think we had one trade that was a loser, $3,000 there. Maybe, I don't fucking know what the numbers on that, but the total P&L, $26,502 after commissions, after fees. So that's like, I don't even know how many trades we took today that were bangers, but they were all bangers. Every trade today. Every trade today. The 15-minute range breakout. Look at that. Bull flag off of the 21 EMA. I put a video out over the weekend talking about the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. If you want to learn more, right now it's $199 for the course. Stop fucking around. Wake up. This is it. If you want to learn to day trade, trade momentum. I've been day trading for 8 years. This is my profit from one account today, guys. This is not copy trading. This is not 20 accounts. This is one account. Trading futures. $27,470 profit. You know, I can sit here and tell you, oh, hey, guys, you know, I'm going to, you know, I can make up all the excuses of why, you know, oh, I trade, you know, I just come up with all these excuses. Or I could just be like, hey, watch me do it live on YouTube. And that's what we do every fucking day. Every day we're doing this shit. This morning, we had the move out of the open, the 15-minute range, our target, the pivot point. Look what happened. Look at it happen. It breaks out. It goes right to the fucking pivot point, and then it pulls back. Oh my God, it's fucking rocket science, boys. It's fucking rocket science. I'm telling you. How does one man do this? There are people out there that are selling $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 courses who have no fucking idea what they're doing. They can't make money to save their lives. Tori Trades is doing fucking 21-day mentorships. And she's made $100,000 total for the year, supposedly. For the year, supposedly. I mean, $100,000 for the year. I made $27,000 today, people. Today. That's one day, one account. This is real money. You can see right there. Look at the account. It's real. Look at the account. It's all real. Boom. Payouts. Getting it done. But again, back to our setup. 15-minute range. This is a fucking textbook setup. 15-minute range, the breakout. We ran right to that fucking pivot point. Oh my God, it was beautiful. Guys, no one is doing it like this. This also, where was our target? Target was fucking simple. Where was our target on this? Pull up the hourly chart. Don't be a dumb, be a smart person. What do we got? We got the breakout. Target's up into this area. Boom. What do we got now? Where's our next target? Next target was up into this high. The high from Friday. Boom. Ding, ding, ding. I can't make it any easier for you. It just keeps going. Look. Bang, bang, bang. 21 EMA. 21 EMA has come to pay. Also, check out this flag. Another trade that we took live on YouTube this morning. We pull back, pivot point, into the 21 EMA. Bang, bang. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. That people are like, Patrick, why do you hate on ICT so much? The reason that I hate ICTs, no, I don't hate them. The reason that I am so frustrated with ICT is because ICT, he sells people a dream of trying to predict where the market's going to go at all times, knowing where it's going to go. That's not what we're here to do. We are here to trade momentum. We are here to trade if the market goes up, the market goes down. We don't give a fuck what happens next. All we care about is, will the market go up? Will the market go down? You know, come on, people. I need you to get on my level here. I'm trying to help you. Help me help you. He owes me $500,000 as well. Where is, I think Dung Dude, tell Dung Dude to refresh. Dude, is Dung Dude, is he not in the chat? What is going on right now? He keeps commenting, where's Patrick? Is he not? Tell him to refresh the live stream. Oh. The internet's trying to keep us out, man. My internet's all choppy again. God damn it. I'm sorry. Apologies. I don't know what to do. I don't know why sometimes this morning was fine. I think, right? The internet was fine this morning. Mr. Ice taking a short. Don't take a short here. Do not take a short here. That's a bad idea. Why take a short here? I don't know, man. Market's just been pushing up, grinding. Why short? I mean, maybe it pulls back, but I don't know. Why short? Dude, I'm telling you, the market makers. I mean, why short? I mean, look at the trend right now. I don't know. God, and always is. I don't know. I will say this 21 EMA, man, the 21 EMA has been paying the bills. Victoria might be downloading porn or something. Stop downloading porn, Victoria. Just kidding. Did you guys see the trade that I made live on YouTube? We made $1 million. Was it lagging when that happened? How do you get the 21 EMA on the chart? You can't seem to find it. Mr. Ice. Mr. Ice. We gotta get you some help, my friend. In case it was lagging earlier, here's my P&L. For just one account, $26,000, 500. $26,500 on the day for just one account here. All right? Then we got the Apex accounts. We got the fast track accounts. It's big. That's like probably $60,000, $60,000 day, $60,000 day, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right. All right. I gotta start, you know, man, I just gotta like, I'm getting real close, right? I'm getting real close to getting this shit figured out. Just getting real close, man. One more year, maybe 6 more months. I don't know. Maybe just getting back to Florida, getting back in the zone. Like, I'm in the zone right now. I just gotta focus. Gotta keep my head on straight. Stay with it. The biggest thing for me is taking profit too early. You know? That is literally my biggest problem right now, is just taking profit too early. But, you know, like there are some days, like yesterday when the market, there was no continuation, then that was a good thing, right? Like it was easy. Like take 10, 20 points, you're happy. I think it's just, I need to be able to identify the different types of days, right? On a range day, take those 20 points, take those 30 points. But on a day like today where I'd say this is like kind of a, you know, overall trend day. Overall trend. Not the best trend day ever, but still, you know, nice moves, showing that there is potential for momentum. If we do break out, we do have kind of room, you know, looking at the bigger time frames. So that's one thing I really want to work on kind of moving forward. And I talked about that over the weekend a little bit, but you know, I want to be a better day trader. I know I play around and joke a lot, and I sit here and talk about other YouTubers and all that. But like I've always said, I started this YouTube channel with the idea of becoming a day trader, right? Like I was already a filmer and an editor. I wasn't a day trader becoming a YouTuber. I was basically a person becoming a YouTuber that was becoming a day trader. And that would be my goal. Like my goal here is to get to a point, you know, where I can trade 100 contracts, make $1 million in a day. There's no reason that I can't make $1 million in a day. I know that sounds crazy, but like there really is, like it's not impossible, you know. I mean, $100,000 days would be like, if you're trading, you know, 50 contracts, I think $100,000 days would be very, very likely, you know, on a really good day, 100,000 for sure. So are you flexing or are you flexing? I'm not trying to flex. I'm just saying I've been doing this for 8 years now, and I'm just trying to, you know, be better at it. I told the guy earlier, don't get short at the 60s. Goddamn internet. I don't know what's going on. It's not me. I don't know. It's the internet, or I have no idea what's going on. Apologies. We might have to just wait till tomorrow morning to do it all. Might be a good thing. Kind of walk away now. Walk away up 26,000. Maybe put, you know, should I go for another 4,000? Hit that $3,000 target? Am I watching any levels? Yeah, I think, you know, we talked about this earlier. If you look, kind of the idea, potential upside here, 20,300's up there, 20,320. Not a bad spot to look at if we're like looking at the chart here. This is that resistance from Tuesday, Monday of what, last week here. So kind of a double top area. This breakout would put us up into there. Kind of a cup and handle move, especially this pullback here. Look at that hourly pullback. Almost perfect, like cup and handle right now. If I wasn't already up 26,000 on the day, I would probably take a trade here. But I don't know. Have you ever had a threesome? Like with the market makers? 2 market makers, 1 man. Gets a little weird sometimes. Your stops get ran, that's for sure. No guts, no glory. Well, I'm pretty sure I Made more money today than any other YouTube idiot out there, so. Mr. Patrick, how much do you spend per day to live in Hawaii? I don't know. It's $20,000 a month for rent. So, yes, this is a paper account. As you can see, the account number, Top Step funded account, that's $26,500 for anybody that thinks I'm trading a paper account. Just big thanks for your support, as always. Thank you for that. And we're also up massively right now in my Apex accounts and in my fast track trading accounts. So hate is gonna hate, play is gonna play. Did you take 45 trades? No, it's just the if you take partials or anything like that, it always for some reason just like counts it as like a million different, I don't know. Is your course $200? Yes, it's $199.99. $199.99. Good deal. But again, the 21 EMA today just being indispensable. Indispensable. This pullback here, rip to the upside. What a move. 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 That's right. What a move. What a move. What a move. What a move. Did you take a nap? I laid down for a little bit. I don't really know if I napped, but I did something. I sat down and I laid down in bed for like 2 minutes and then got back up. Where is ICT? I don't know. Fucking hiding somewhere. There's an amazing new video that somebody just put out for ICT. It's absolutely amazing video. It's pretty funny. I would watch it with you guys, but it's hard to do it with the stream. But if you guys want to laugh your ass off, there is a funny ass video. Like, this video is funny. It's fucking hilarious. So leave a comment on the video. Tell them that Patrick sent you. I don't want to let it know. Let anyone. Will you be using how you use the VIX? I don't use the VIX, so it won't be in the course because I don't trade with the VIX, so it will not be there. Nasdaq trying to push again, trying to break out here. These breakouts have been paying the bills today, getting some nice little breakout continuations, 10, 20, 30 points, little pullback into another flag. So we're right here at the high of day. I saved some guy in the chat earlier, said he was getting short down here at the 60s. I said, do not do that. Don't go shorting at the fucking 21 EMA. Did you not watch the fucking, did you not buy the course? You'd be stupid. Thanos, do you teach through market profile or charts? Only charts. Only price action, Thanos. They don't. No bullshit. It's not hard. You don't need to spend 7 years learning how to do it. My girlfriend, she's got a funded account. She's got multiple evaluations. She's making money. She's literally passed multiple evaluations after going through the course, and she just started trading literally I don't even, a month ago when we first got to Hawaii. So, I mean, if you've been trading for years and, you know, she just started, I don't know. Hollow Point, all that money in a shitty internet connection. Yes, I live, well, I don't live, but we're in Hawaii on an island in the middle of the ocean in the country. I apologize for my shitty internet. I'm not in New York City right now. I'm on the beach in Hawaii. So apologies for being so broke. You know, apologies. Aman Chopra, can I see your comments? Nope, never seen your comments before, bro. Who are you? When are you going to go back to Florida? Maybe never. I don't know, man. Who knows what I'm going to do next? We're going back to Florida October 18th, 19th. Back to the world of the real world. Leaving paradise. I don't know, man. Paradise is nice, but honestly, I'm kind of looking forward to getting back to my Lamborghini. The Lambo's got twin turbos on it, and, you know, I'm looking forward to driving that bitch. Woo! That's going to be fun. I am looking forward to the Lamborghini. That thing's going to be so fucking fast. Oh, my Lord. To be all the rock within you. Want somebody to love. Don't you need somebody to love? I told the guy in the chat, I said, don't get fucking short at the 60s. All right, I said that. All right, don't do that. I saved him some money, hopefully. Can you tag the shop that you took your car? It's Excel Racing on Instagram. If you look at my Instagram page, they're on my Instagram page. What's your target? I mean, it's still going higher. So 300 was our target. All right, so just a recap here. Like we said, looking for that push up. We had the hourly setup so beautiful here on the hourly chart. Look at that move. Bang, bang, making new highs. If you're just now tuning in, we've been absolutely crushing this move up right now. I can't even explain how much we've killed it today. On a scale of 1 to 10, I think we're at like a fucking billion in terms of killing it. Absolutely insane day. Insane, guys. I mean, hey, this is what it's all about. These are the types of days that we live for. This is the type of shit that we want to see. If you go to the 2-minute chart, we had the 21 EMA. Look at this thing, the bull flag, bang, from the 31s up there to the 90s now. Talk about it. Edgardo said selling full margin. Okay, perfect, Edgardo. Now we're going to go straight to 20,300. 20,300. Here we go, baby. Someone in the chat said they're selling full margin. I guess that means we're about to go to the moon. Ba-bow. Oh, the truth is gone will be found. The 21 EMA, absolutely beautiful today, painting the picture. Bang, bang, bang. If you don't know about it, course above, get in on this program, my friends. It's $199. It's funny how you say my name. You got to visit Puerto Rico. Yeah, everyone always tells me, move to Puerto Rico, Patrick, move to Puerto Rico. I just, you know, I don't know if I want to live in Puerto Rico, to be honest. I've been to Puerto Rico. I got nothing against it, but it's not sure I want to live there. You know? Personally. Where's the next pivot point higher? All the way up there at the 380s. That would be a fucking stretch. That would be R2, resistance 2, pivot point 2, whatever you want to call it. 388s to the upside. It's a very rare thing that the market fucking goes 2 to 3 pivots high or low. So big space there as well. But maybe anything's possible. It's power hour, baby. Florida about to get slammed with a hurricane. I saw that. Not good. Luckily for me. I missed out on all that fun. Will we push to the 300s? The chat said short full margin. Does that mean we go full margin up now? Oh, look at this thing. How tight this is getting. Right there at the 290s. Where's your boat? At my house? In Florida? Well, it's actually at a shop right now, so it's pulled out of the water, but I'm on the East Coast, so it won't really matter with the hurricane. Your Lambo is about to get flooded. I hope not. There shouldn't be any flooding on the East Coast. It'll mostly be on the West Coast. Do you have kids? Yes, I have a 12-year-old boy. Little 12-year-old. Dung Do, you want to buy at 208? 208? Is that where you're trying to buy at? That doesn't even make sense. I'm confused. Dung Do, what kind of drugs are you smoking? Dung Do. Thai stick. Still confused. Now he's talking crazy talk. Man, the hourly chart today could not have been any more fucking bullish. Look at that that candle right there alone. Are you fucking kidding me? Look at that candle. You can't even see it. Dipped all the way down here to push all the way back up. You know that thing was going higher. No reason to be short. Come on now, don't be stupid. Do you trade the Asian session? I do not trade I try not to. Will the 15-minute opening range work? I wouldn't be as confident in it. It works better in the New York Open because it's like a hard open, you know. But I guess you could do it for the London Asian Open, I guess. I don't know. I don't really trade the overnight, so I don't really think about it that much. Look how tight this thing's getting. You're going to tell me this is not going to want to push to the 20,300s? Who wants to bet? Who you think we'll go to the 20,300s? Who wants to say that it's not going to go there? Who wants to take that bet? $1,000. Me versus 1,000. $1,000 bet. Nobody wants to take my bet. That's fucked up. Y'all a bunch of pussies. Bunch of pussies. Normally the chat is so, you know, yeah. No, but now the chat's all quiet. Nobody wants to short at the top, I guess. Are you still trading after winning so much? I'm winning more, man. The market is just printing right now. It's hard to not trade this. You know, it's just printing. It's like a fucking ATM machine right now. I couldn't lose if I tried. I'd have to I don't know what I'd have to short the top to lose. It's too easy. How much did you win? Too much. If I talk about it in public, someone might rob me for all of the profits. But luckily, I could talk about it. This is just one account making $26,502. That's right, $26,502. You can see it somewhere over there. But we've also trading in the fast track accounts, also trading in the Apex accounts, trading in all the accounts today. So yeah, well, the LuxAlgo market flow trend lines and liquidity indicator, it works really good on a trending day. It's fucking like, it's the problem with it is it works really good on a trending day, but not always so good on a choppy day. So let's kind of go back over some of the breakouts on that. This is a free indicator, by the way. You can check it out on TradingView. It's called LuxAlgo Market Flow Trend Lines and Liquidity. This is an indicator that I built with LuxAlgo. We're actually working on making it better. So the more people use it, the more feedback I can get, the better. So we got our 15-minute range also built into this as well. So we had a signal for a breakout, basically breaking that trend line for the upside move. We break out there at open. We had another signal here. This is also just coming, basically showing us that whenever we break a trend line, we get a signal basically saying, okay, trend line break, bang, okay. And then again, another one, little kind of choppy. This is where you kind of get screwed up because, you know, once we start kind of going sideways, that's when the indicator really starts to not really work as well. You see there from the 23s down to that, you got this little push. I really like the 21 EMA on here as well because it helps me kind of see like, hey, you know, look, we got this setup here. We got the 21 support. There's a really good opportunity, I think, right? This is a good opportunity for a move up. So again, this is the LuxAlgo market flow trend lines and liquidity indicator. It's free on TradingView. Check it out. Something to mess around with. Like I said, it's just kind of doing exactly what we already do normally with the trend line breaks and all that. So NASDAQ just holding up here at the highs right now, baby. Oh, buddy, we about to break through the 20,300s. Nobody wanted to bet me, but we going. We going to do it. That's right. Straight to the moon, baby. Ah, but through fame. God, I had 15 contracts long earlier down there at the 32s, and I was like, I told myself, I was like, I'll take some. I took profit into the squeeze up, and then I was like, all right, I'm good, But in the back of my head, I was also thinking to myself, like, man, it would be pretty cool to hold this all the way to the 20,300 level, right? That would have been 15 contracts, fucking 80 points. That would have been real nice. Real nice, that would have been. But coulda, shoulda, woulda, whatever, It's. Trust me. If you sit around and you just think about what could have, shoulda, woulda, you'll drive your fucking self crazy. You'll go crazy. It's too much. You believe. Right now, it's 9:32 here in Hawaii and obviously 3:30 on the East Coast. Market just hanging out up here at the highs right now. Ricky, here, let's ask the chat. Ricky. All right, so yesterday, Ricky Trades, he said the market was going to hit, 19,915. Yesterday, while we were live, he's like, today the market will hit 19,915. And then it didn't hit 19,915. But then after hours, once the market closed and reopened, it hit 19,915. And Ricky says that it's the same day. But I said, no. If you say today, it's the market day. It's not like after hours. It's not Asian. It's not it's like it's happening today while we're on the live stream. Don't make a bet about something that's going to happen fucking a year from now. This is entertainment. We're here on a live stream. We want to see it happening in the moment. We don't want to hear about what happened last night or tomorrow night. We want to focus on the here, the now. Right now, the NASDAQ up there trying to get into the 300s. Should Ricky pay? It was the next day. We got to go on Google, type in today. Oh, there we go, everybody. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Yeah. I got to stop, boys. Turn it off. Somebody come over here and take away, pull it away, take the mouse out of my hand, take it out of my hand, take it out of my hand, take it out of my hand. I'm too good. And you know what's crazy? You know what's fucking crazy about all this when you think about it, when you really think about it? What's crazy about all this when you really think about it? You know what's really what's fucking crazy about it? Is that I do all of this. I trade live on YouTube, and I don't have to make up excuses and say that the market makers kidnapped me, or I don't have to say that God speaks to me and tells me where I think the market's going to go. I don't have to do any of that. All I have to do is literally trade the momentum. I put a yellow line on the chart. I look for previous resistance. I enter the trade. I exit the trade. I don't need to sit here and tell you that I have a fucking divine connection to explain to people like, hey, Patrick, how did you know the market was going to go up to the 20,300s? Patrick, how did you know this could happen? Patrick, if God didn't tell you, how did you know? If God didn't tell you, how could you have known? Let's find out really quickly. Let's figure out. Was it God Did God tell me that this was gonna go there? Was that God? Let me see. Let me look. Oh my baby Jesus. Let me look a little. Oh wait. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh fucking shit. Shit fucking shit. Damn it. Damn it. I did it. I've done it. Damn it. I can't. You guys, you're too smart. People are too smart. It's still going. 330 is the high at the upside there. Yes, it is. I still have Apex. I got everybody, man. I got Apex, Take Profit Trader, Top Step. I got every fucking funding company in the world. I got like 80 accounts. Why not? It's free money. If you can get one, hey, here's the thing, right? If you can make money with one prop firm, why not have multiple prop firms? Wow. That fucking just blew my mind. Let me think about this for a minute. So if I should I only trade with one prop firm so that I show, and be like, no. More prop firms, more fun. More prop firms, more fun. I have the lifetime license. I just scare you. I do not copy trade every prop firm together. I have fast track trading. I have them on Motive Wave. My goal for fast track with Motive Wave is to literally make $1,000 a day times 20 accounts and do that consistently every day for 10 days straight to get my payout. Like, that's my goal, right? That's literally all I'm trying to do. So I don't need to overcomplicate it. I don't need to make anything harder than it already is. So NASDAQ's still pushing. Look at the 21 fucking EMA, boys. Look at the 21 EMA right now. Oh my God. Like, this is the kind of shit that just like really pisses me off the most, man. Is that there's people out there who are going to sit here and tell you that, oh, they have the secret. They got this. They'll be your mentor. They'll teach you everything. You'll make millions of dollars. But first, you got to pay them thousands of dollars. The reason I sell a $200 course is to make fun of all the other morons out there that are selling $1,000, $10,000 courses. You don't need that bullshit. Look, it's still going. It's still going. Hey, it's still fucking going. Look at that. I can still be holding, but I'm not crazy. I might be crazy, but I'm not that crazy. All right? I might be crazy, but I'm not that crazy. You can see here on Motive Wave. This is the account that I use, or the platform that I use for fast track trading. It's 1,200 across the board there. So good. Ooh. I think you could trade 20 accounts with them right now too. So the funny part is the amount of people on the internet that will talk shit, that will hate on me and all this, but it's like, what are you trying to, like, what are you going to hate on? Like, what are you going to say? Like, what are you going to say? Oh, Patrick, you suck. We hate you. You make too much money. You're in Hawaii. Your girlfriend's hot. You have a Lambo. You have a boat. Oh, you're the worst person ever. Like, what are you going to say? Like, what are you going to say anymore? Does Apex ask for video proof? Yes. Yeah, they say, hey, Patrick, can you send us a video? Can you send us a video of you trading? Yes, that's exactly what Apex does. Hey, dear Patrick Wieland, we see that you made a lot of money. Can you please send us a video? For Apex, I think the 50K Thanos, all that can be rented. Just saying. Bro. It's all, that's what, you know, hey, even if it's all rented, even if everything is rented, it's still better than what you got. You know, even if my Lambo is rented, even if my boat is rented, even if my girlfriend is rented, even if everything that I got is rented, it's still better than what you got. You know, like, it's still better. At least I got the money to rent it. You know, like, hey, ain't nobody getting out of here alive. You know, ain't nobody getting out of here alive. It's all good, you know, it's all good. We all gonna die one day, so we all just renting. You know, ain't nobody gonna live forever. What you own today will not be yours tomorrow. When you die, you will return to the ground that you come from. And that's all that's gonna matter. So worry about the man on the internet that teaches you how to make the money, and then ask yourself, oh, it's all rented. Yes, none of it's real. It's all fake. Hey, the best part is, even if everything I say, even if it's all fake, at least you can still make some money by watching my videos. You know, hey, a little something, you know, a little something for you, you know. You're like, damn, that guy's an idiot. He's a loser. He rents everything. But then he'd be like, you know, at least he'd be doing it right. He'd be making that money on the regs. Just like my Lamborghini with the twin turbo exhaust. I put the twin turbos on the rental. Rental, Lambo, twin turbos. When I take it back to Hertz, you think they're going to ask questions? You think Hertz is going to be like, sir, is that a twin turbo on the back? And I'll say, yeah, I put it on there. Do you mind? Hertz rental car. Bringing the Lamborghini back with the twin turbos on the back. You need to make a video spending $50,000. Well, it's $20,000 a month for the house in Hawaii, so I'm halfway there. There's probably at least there's a ton of videos on my YouTube channel spending $50,000. Definitely. Did you rent the turbo? No, I bought the turbo, but I'm renting the Lambo. So it's like I don't, you know, I own the turbo, but the Lambo's a rental. No one will ever know. Does Budget still rent exotics? Maybe. Especially twin turbos. They love those. Do you rent the food? Yeah, I know. I pay for it and then I give it back after it comes out. That's what I always love when you go places and they're like, do you want the receipt? I'm like, well, can I return the food after I eat it? You know? Can I return the... after I eat this hamburger, can I return it if it's not any good? Well, I think that's pretty much the high of day now. Unless we continue to squeeze here, but that was a good push. Is the boat ready? Yeah, the boat's ready. Are the tax write-offs food? They are when your whole entire business is you, baby. Patrick Wieland, Inc. Only way that my business survives is if I eat filet mignon every day. You know, that's the only way. The only way that my business can function is if I eat filet mignon for lunch, breakfast, and dinner. I'm on a strict diet. All right, NASDAQ, just up here at the high of day. We started streaming earlier when we were down here at the 230s. That's over about 100-point move there. End of day, power hour. What a beautiful setup. The 21 EMA there on the 2-minute chart. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. If you haven't already checked out the course, it's $199. Don't be silly. Check it out. I know you spend money on way more stupid shit. I know you all be spending money on way more stupid shit than that. That's for sure. No doubt in my mind. Do you think I'm going to get on the You think I'll be on the top 5 on Top Step TV tomorrow for yesterday's best with 26,000 in one account? You think I will? What do you think? It's pretty good, I feel like. It'll be, I don't know. Should go ask on their live stream. We gotta go. Somebody should go to the Top Step TV live stream and ask him and say, if Patrick wins tomorrow, if he has the top number 1, will you feature it? Oh shit, Rips is on there right now. He's up 5,000 on the day. Nice work, Rips. Don't worry. One day, Rips is going to be up $26,000 in just one account. But until then, we'll have to wait and find out. Got the 350 algorithm coming up here. 350 algorithm coming up. Will we get continuation through this high? Big move up. End of day. Will the bulls squeeze? You still got a little bit more to go. We got about 330 area for resistance up there. We'll see. Got less than a little bit over a minute right now. 1 minute until the 350 algorithm kicks in here. Just stuck right there. $20 seconds until the 350 algorithm. 350. Would it go down 100 points? Maybe. I mean, it's a big drop. Got that 21 EMA down there at the 280s. Is today one of my best days? No. I think I've had like a $40,000, $50,000 day before in one account. So, close. Into your eyes. Oh yeah. Am I looking for a long or a short? I don't think I'd be looking for a short here. I'm not really looking for a long either. We've kind of already made this big move up, so we capitalize on this move. Been trading this move all the way up into here. We already kind of identified this previous area of resistance there. It's like Do I keep playing with fire? Probably not. Not the best idea. I thought about maybe looking for a move here, but what trade size do you trade? 15 contracts. I want 15 contracts, baby. All in, all the time. Top Step's long right now, so definitely the market will definitely not be able to go up. Shit. If they weren't long, maybe I would get long. Take my breath away. I trade the minis, no micros. You want to make money, you got to trade the minis, baby. Nasdaq's still just kind of holding right here. Looking stubborn. I trade the 50K accounts with Apex. I trade the 150K accounts with Fast Track. And then I trade the 150K accounts with pretty much everybody else. So it's either, normally it's the 150K accounts for me, and then, it'll be the 50K accounts for Apex. There she goes. Oh, NASDAQ ripping. Boner candles here. Fucking A. I wanted to get long there, but I just didn't want to get long with Top Step was long. They're not good. NASDAQ up there, the 330s. Fuck. I was literally watching that like 310 area for a minute, and then I was like, Take my breath. Oh, I want to trade. I wanted to get long so bad there. It's hard. It is difficult. It is difficult being up $26,000 in just one account. You know, you're like, oh, I want to make a little bit more. Just a little bit more, you know, like this, maybe like $5 more. It's a weird feeling. It's a really weird feeling. I don't know why I have this feeling right now. It's crazy. Just greed or something. Greed, I guess. I don't know. FOMO, greed, wanting more. On the Apex accounts, today we made 800. For the Apex accounts. I try to aim for like $1,000, 800. You don't need to go crazy. So you can see here on the Apex account. Where is it at? Oh, God. You can see there on the Apex accounts locking in the 800s there. Market pulling back. Good thing I didn't buy there at the top. You got to know when to ride it. I mean, this fucking going back and looking at it now, you know, it's a good reminder of kind of believing in the plan, I guess, you know. I got long earlier down there at the 36s. 20,000 36s earlier. on this move right here, right before the live stream started, and then sold into this pop. Yeah. I was thinking we had a really good opportunity for that move up. So that hourly chart is a good lesson, right? When the hourly chart looks that good, when you get an hourly candle that strong, you know, look at that. I mean, that hourly candle just fucking ripped the dip and then the rip. It's hard to not be bullish off after seeing that. So the bull flags just keep getting paid today. Good day for bull flags. Not always this easy. It's not always this easy. In the 15-minute chart, had a big bull flag kind of set up, and then another little mini one break out there. Wanted to look at the fibs on this. On this move where we pulled back into. We pulled back into like the middle of that. I guess we could maybe put it there. Kind of that 618. Pulled back basically right there in the middle on that fib line. So B. Martin, if you're looking on TradingView, make sure you have data. How do you manage the 30% rule? I trade consistently. I said with Apex, I make on average $2,000 to $1,000. Do that consistently for 10 days. No problem with the 30% rule. Just trade consistently. That's all it really comes down to. So there it is. Market just up to the highs. Like I said, kind of thought that would be the high of day up into this range here. We saw on the hourly chart that resistance there at the 30s. Market now pulling back here. Something to look at with the 21 EMA and the VWAP. Huh. Interesting. 21 EMA. It's almost like when the VWAP gets above the 21 EMA. Kind of interesting. Yeah, it's kind of interesting here when you look at it. On the hourly chart, these trends, these setups, getting that 21 EMA cross, or just having the VWAP above the 21 EMA on the 1 hour chart. Interesting. We'll have to kind of do some more back testing on that. So there we go. All right, market is closed, and there's the pullback. Like I said, good thing we did not get long up at the top there. So big thank you guys for tuning in for another successful live stream right here on the #1 day trading channel. If you haven't already checked out the course, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I'm going to make you a millionaire, but I will tell you, I will give you all the knowledge and all the info that I've acquired over the last 8 years of doing this live on YouTube. So big thank you guys. And yeah, appreciate you. Is there a support resistance levels indicator like yours on TV? What do you mean like mine? Which one? Tyler? Like mine? Thanos, it went lower. What does that mean? What are you talking about? The lines for levels. I don't know what that means. The lines for levels? What lines for levels? Tomorrow is FOMC minutes. It's not FOMC meetings, so it shouldn't be that. It should be fine to trade. The pivot points? Is that what he's talking about? Pivot points standard. Pivot points standard is the indicator that I use. Check out the course. It's $199. It's got all the answers. My girlfriend just started day trading. She bought the course. Well, I gave it to her for 50% off. You know, hey, I can't give it to her for free. But she bought the course, and now she's in a funded account. She's passed multiple evaluations, and she's trading. Literally, less than 2 months. I'm not going to say everybody will be the same, but it seems like it works. She had no previous experience when it came to trading. So, interesting. Either way, good little case study. I would love to have her go through and learn ICT for the next 7 years and see how she feels. I would love to, like, let somebody watch ICT videos and then be like, okay, you passed the evaluation. And then let somebody watch my videos and then say, okay, you passed the evaluation. And see which person passes the evaluation first. I guarantee it won't be the moron with ICT. Guarantee. So there it is. I'll see you tomorrow morning. We're back here. Wild Wednesdays. We got a lot of data coming out the rest of this week. It should be fun, fun, fun. And the sun is shining. The birds are chirping. We're here in Hawaii. We're living the dream. And I will talk to you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East.